We'll guide you through how to see backup photos in Google Photos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide whether you use an iPhone or an Android. So you're in the situation of where you may go and have the Google Apps app on your phone, or you may not, it doesn't actually matter. But I'm in the situation of where my backup is off, and I just want to go and see what photos are actually backed up in Google Photos. Because if I go and look through Google Photos, it's going to show me my entire camera roll. Even though it's not backed up, Google Photos allows you to go and see that. But I want to go and see what I've actually got backed up in the service. So you could do this on a computer as well, or another type of phone, it doesn't matter. To go and do this, what you need to do is go and open a web browser. Because I'm on an iPhone, I use Safari, but you could use Chrome or whatever browser you want to. Let's go and open it up. To get started, you want to come to Google like so, and then what you need to do is head to the top right and press sign in, and you need to go and sign with the Google account you want to do this with. So let me select this one here. Now what I'll do here is I'll go and enter in my password. Let me just go and find it. It'll make it much easier. And then what we can do is go and press next, and I should now go and be signed in. Now what we can do is go and tap on the address bar, and we can actually just go directly to the URL. So we can type in photos.google.com like so, and we can then press go, and this will bring us straight to the service. And then in here you're going to be able to go and actually see the photos that are backed up. It's not just going to include your entire phone camera roll. These are photos which are actually in the service, so you can then go and scroll through them and go and see them there. It's that simple. I could go and start selecting them like so if I wanted to. I could then go and say delete them in the top, or I could do other things with them as well. That's it. Hopefully you managed to achieve what you wanted to with this video. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this.